Okay, now you're on.
Hey guys, me and Wild Bill here, and we're about to go rafting. We're gonna have a good time, and Bill's having a good time, and I'm having a good time, and we're all having a good time, huh, Bill?
Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
Waiting on you.
Oh, we're waiting on me?
We're waiting on you.
Alrighty, we're waiting on me. Really?
Yep. Let's do this.
Alrighty. Bill TV.
Wild Bill.
On it with.
I like having the open. I feel like it's good.
I liked it on Brandon's boat because this blocks your view, and when you're right above the hole, you can see, you can see this big hole you're
Down
going into
through
through
there.
this little window at the bottom. It's like kind of creepy.
I've never had that.
Yeah, Brandon's little, whatever his G2 is, that thing was like, holy crap.
We got John rigging his cat boat. He's got pins and clips.
The curves here, there's going to be like a class 3-ish rapid, kind of like it narrows down. That's not the falls. And then it curves back around because you can see this little like ridge coming out. It curves back around and then it drops over the falls.
Okay, but you can see the funnel.
Because there's like a man-made fish ladder on the left. Like you don't want to go there. It's all concrete.
Okay.
So you just stay
right.
Stay right.
Go down the center of the chute.
Well, you saw the video. You kind of just stay right. Like that's kind of the line.
And it's going to just take you
like
right
a
over.
little like whoop-de-doo thing right before the falls. That kind of like you just want to hit it and then drop down. It kind of moves. It seemed like it with Will. It just kind of moved the boat where he wanted to go, but I mean, I don't know. But with this thing, it doesn't matter. You can probably drop it sideways.
I don't think it'll fit sideways. That's why I'm going to get into that corridor, and those oars are going to be tucked, and I'm just going to be riding. That's what from the video that I saw. That's going to be the only way. And beep it, Bill.
Okay, so are we blowing up the Agamala?
There goes Bean back to the boat. Wave, Bean! Uck.
Right, we are here Saturday, I think it's the 24th. Bill's down below, I'm gonna run Illinois Falls. The water dropped, it was like at 1,000, 2,000 yesterday, and it dropped down to 1,000, and they're not expecting rain. So we're gonna do the Illinois anyway. We're gonna go run Illinois Falls. So there you go.